Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into transforming your ordinary commute into an extraordinary journey with the latest smart car tech and connectivity accessories. Forget about buying a brand new car just for a few fancy features. There's a world of innovative upgrades that can revitalize your current ride, enhancing everything from safety and convenience to pure driving pleasure. One of the most foundational upgrades for any older vehicle is integrating a modern infotainment system, specifically those that support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. These systems seamlessly mirror your smartphone's essential apps onto your car's display, giving you access to navigation, music, and messaging without ever needing to touch your phone. It's a game changer for staying connected and entertained safely. Next, let's talk about an absolute must-have for peace of mind: the advanced dash cam. These aren't just for documenting accidents anymore. Many modern dash cams offer features like parking surveillance, which records incidents even when your car is off, GPS logging to track your routes, and even cloud connectivity for instant video uploads. It's your silent, vigilant witness on the road. For those who want critical information without taking their eyes off the road, a heads-up display, or HUD, is an incredible addition. These clever devices project essential data like speed, navigation directions, and even incoming call alerts directly onto your windshield. It keeps your focus forward, enhancing safety and reducing distractions significantly. Unlock your car's hidden diagnostics with a smart OBD-II scanner. These small devices plug into your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard, and send real-time data to your smartphone. Monitor engine health, track fuel efficiency, understand warning lights, and even log your driving performance. It's like having a mechanic's brain in your pocket. Tired of fumbling with charging cables? Wireless charging solutions for your car are a brilliant upgrade. Whether it's a dedicated charging pad that fits into your center console or a mounting cradle that doubles as a charger, these accessories keep your phone powered up and your cabin clutter-free. Just set it and forget it. Never be without internet access again with a portable Wi-Fi hotspot for your car. Ideal for long road trips or for passengers needing to stream, work, or play, these devices turn your vehicle into a rolling internet cafe. Some even integrate with your car's existing USB ports for constant power, ensuring everyone stays connected. Enhance your vehicle's security and your peace of mind with a smart GPS tracker. These discrete devices can be installed to provide real-time location tracking of your vehicle, an invaluable tool for theft recovery or for monitoring young drivers. Many also offer geofencing alerts, notifying you if your car leaves a predefined area. Parking doesn't have to be a nightmare, especially with aftermarket backup cameras and parking sensor kits. Even if your car didn't come with them, you can easily install systems that provide a clear view of what's behind you and audible warnings for nearby obstacles, making tight spots and parallel parking much less stressful. Bring the power of AI into your vehicle with dedicated in-car voice assistants. Products like Amazon Echo Auto or Google Assistant-enabled devices allow you to control music, get directions, make calls, and even manage your smart home devices, all with simple voice commands, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Don't underestimate the importance of healthy tires. Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring Systems, or TPMS, offer real-time data on your tire pressure and temperature, often with visual alerts on a small dashboard display or via your smartphone. This helps prevent blowouts, improves fuel efficiency, and extends tire life. Bolster your active safety features with aftermarket blind spot monitoring systems. These kits use sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots and alert you with visual or audible cues, significantly reducing the risk of lane change collisions. Some even offer cross-traffic alerts when backing out of parking spots. For the audiophiles, upgrading your car's sound system goes beyond just new speakers. Consider a digital signal processor to fine-tune your audio output, or a high-quality Bluetooth receiver that supports lossless audio codecs. These upgrades can transform your car into a concert hall on wheels, delivering crisp, immersive sound. The beauty of modern car tech is how these individual accessories can work together to create a truly connected car ecosystem. Imagine your dashcam sending footage to your cloud, your OBD-II scanner logging data that your mechanic can access, and your voice assistant controlling everything from navigation to your home thermostat, all from your driver's seat. The accessibility and affordability of these smart car tech and connectivity accessories mean you don't need to break the bank for a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're looking for enhanced safety, better entertainment, or just more convenience, there's an upgrade out there that's perfect for your ride. Future-proof your drive today.